Good morning. My name is Amal Nirgudkar. I'm CEO of Patient Prism, and I'm here interviewing Dr. Vasudha Narra, who is from AZ Cosmetic and Family Dentistry. Her two location practice in Phoenix, in Glendale, Arizona, and she came by on the trade show floor and said, I'm so passionate about this business and I'm so passionate about what I'm doing in this spot." So I said, "Come on by, talk to us about what makes you guys special and what are you doing that's different in dentistry that your patients really love."
Well, first thing I will say is me and my team of doctors, and my all of the team, the healthcare professionals in the team, love what they do. And when you love what you do, you obviously put your heart into it, and you want to get nothing but the best to the patients.
Sure.
That's the first thing which I would say would put us apart from other people. We look at long-term prognosis, long-term healthier life with a good oral health.
So you have integrated some systemic health protocols within your patients. So what do you do as far as overall health? Do you guys do any oral cancer screening? Do you
We
do saliva
do.
testing? That
We
kind
do.
of stuff. Okay.
We do oral cancer screening. It's a must every single time.
Okay.
It starts from blood pressure. So many patients who come in and we check the blood pressure and it's high, and we're like, hey, we need to get this checked.
Absolutely.
And they go back and come back next time when we see them. They're like, hey, thank you so much about that. It helped me go back to my PCP. Usually, everybody in this when they're in their middle age or younger age,
Right.
they don't want to. Nobody wants to
Nobody
feel
wants
like
to
we
go to-
have anything wrong
Right.
with ourselves, but
Right.
sometimes our body tells us otherwise.
Absolutely.
It's always good to have a good checkup done, and
So kind of every patient kind of goes through that process where you check their blood pressure, you do the oral cancer screening.
we do. We do.
And then
We also talk about breathing, snoring, sleep. And,
wow, okay.
When you can see how once you have a good sleep, your day is different.
Absolutely.
You can
Believe
go
me, I know
conquer.
that. Yes, I know that.
Yes.
But has that helped in does this approach that you have? Do you use that in your advertising? That hey, come here, we're going to take care of your overall health. Does that resonate with patients, new patients?
We don't advertise ourselves that way, which we should, I guess, but it does. But patients are very willing and accepting, and they're like, "Oh, I never had this type of experience. This is amazing. This is
Nice.
great." Yeah,
Nice.
we do talk about their systemic health. We do talk about how a good oral health affects Alzheimer's, cardiac issues, respiratory issues, sleep, which we spend more than 1/3 of our time
Right.
in our life.
Right.
And
So, what is your advice for practices that are trying to get into this oral systemic health space? How do you go about doing that?
well, first educate yourself. Get to know. Knowledge is something which is the best you can get, and it doesn't leave you once you get it.
Right.
So get acknowledged with all of that, and then talk to patients about it. I tell my patients, you know about your dentistry as much as your dentist knows. So if your dentist knows more about it, you are well educated, and ultimately it's their decision what to
Right.
do or when to do. But if you didn't educate them, then it comes on you. That's
So-
what I feel. I feel accomplished when I educate my patients about it.
So, if there are patients in Glendale that want to come see you, where do they go? What website do they go to
Well,
visit you?
Well, I would first say welcome to them, and it is azfamilydentistry.com. We're in Glendale, Arizona. Um,
And then basically they can book an appointment there.
They
and,
can.
and then basically just contact you and obviously you're welcoming new patients.
We are welcoming new patients. Our phone number is 602-439-1101. You will be received very well with my team. I don't want to brag about them, but I should because they are the best. You will have the best experience.
You know,
You-
I didn't want to interrupt you, but I really love leaders and doctors who really make it about the team. And kudos to you for every time we ask you something, it's my team that makes me better. And
It
that
is.
approach is absolutely phenomenal. So congratulations on building these amazing offices, and we look forward to seeing what you're going to do over the next few years.
Thank you.
And if you're in Glendale, obviously reach out to her, AZ Family.
AZ Cosmetic and Family Dentistry. So
Okay.
the website is azfamilydentistry.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for this talk.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.